Hi, let's learn how to log in to ViewSonic. When you open ViewSonic, if you see your name or your ID at the top left corner, that means you are logged in. If, however, you see this view, that means you're not logged in. You need to click on the Microsoft icon at the bottom in the middle. That will take you to a web page that will show you this screen. You need to type in your college email address if it's not already there, and then click Next. It will ask you for your password. It might automatically be there if you're on a college system. Once your password is in, click Sign In. You might be asked to choose an authentication method. Do this in the usual way, but I'd recommend you click Remember Me for 28 days. This is so that it doesn't keep logging you out. It will ask you if you want to stay signed in. Click Yes, but also click Don't Show This Again, so that, again, it doesn't ask you so many times. You're signed in. It will ask you if you'd like your whiteboard to keep you signed in. It's a good idea to click Yes. This way, you will always be signed in whenever you log in, whenever you open your whiteboard, so that you don't have to keep logging in every time. And you will see you're taken back to your whiteboard and you are logged in. Hope that helps.